Prevents hose crimping and strain. Helps eliminate strain on your water hose connection and helps stop hose kinking. Multi-purpose. Ideal for RV water hookups, residential outdoor faucets and washing machine hookups. Compatibility. Fits standard water hose connections. Features. Swiveling easy grip connector for easy installation and removal. Durable construction. Made of solid brass. Quantity. 2-pack. Camco's 90-degree hose elbow helps eliminate strain on your water hose connection and helps stop hose kinking. It is ideal for RV water hookups, residential outdoor faucets and washing machine hookups. This durable, solid brass elbow fits standard water hose connections. It features a swiveling easy grip connector for simple installation and removal. CSA lead-free content certified to NSF, ANSI 372 and compliant with all federal and state-level lead-free laws. 2-pack. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. Purchased these to use on the city water connections in the Nautilus panel on our fifth-wheel camper. Needed them since the space is narrow enough that the hoses would not flex enough for a straight-in connection. Would purchase again.